Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode. Recall that Esther came up on Frodd's birthday to wish him happy birthday. Few days later, the BBnaija stars Esther and Frodd were seen all loved up on the dance floor at an event. Pepper Dem stars Frodd and Esther appeared to be waxing stronger in their relationship. Esther Agunbiade showed good spirits as she rocked best friend in the BBnaija house, Frodd, on the dance floor. Recall that some days ago, Frodd celebrated his birthday and Esther, his love interest in the Big Brother NAIJA show, wrote an emotional birthday message to him. In the video below, the reality stars were all loved up on the dance floor at an event. Frodd had his hands all over Esther as she happily danced with him. Moments later, the pretty lady walked away and danced alone. Guys, let me know what you think about Esther and Frodd in the comment section below.